Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've found another app that actually pays you in crypto, and yes, I've already tested it out. The app is called MCrypto, and I'll show you how to earn, redeem, and even refer your friends for real rewards. Let's dive in. MCrypto is a free app that lets you earn coins by completing simple tasks like playing games, doing surveys, or installing other apps. Once you collect enough coins, you can redeem them for real cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, or Binance Coin, directly to your wallet. Let me walk you through the earning options. Playtime games. Just play fun mobile games and earn. App task. Install and use other apps to get coins. Surveys. Complete simple surveys for rewards. Scratch cards. You can even scratch and win. As you can see here, I've already redeemed coins multiple times. Once you've got enough coins, go to the redeem section. From there, choose your preferred crypto, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Binance Coin. In my case, I have 1369 coins ready. Pretty cool, right? This is where it gets even better. You can earn more by inviting friends. You get 1,000 coins per referral. Your friend also gets coins. Plus, you earn 10% commission of whatever they earn, forever. Here's my referral link if you want to try it. Link in description. So don't miss your bonus. Now the big question, is MCrypto legit? From my testing so far, yes. It's smooth, the rewards are clear, and I've seen real redemptions go through. You won't get rich overnight, but it's a great side hustle if you're consistent. Here are a few tips to make the most of this app. Focus on high-reward tasks like app installs and surveys. Invite active users. The 10% commission adds up. Check the app daily for new offers and scratch cards. If you're looking to earn small amounts of crypto with just your phone, MCrypto is one of the better apps out there. No investment required, just time and consistency. You already use your phone every day, why not get rewarded for it? That's it for today's review. Download the app with my link in the description to get your bonus coins. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more app reviews and money-making tips every week.